Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Hofer, and today is Tuesday, and we're going to do a little more work with math, comparing numbers and sets of numbers. So remember the game we played yesterday with the dice? Okay, so we're going to play that again, but just a little bit different. So if you have your dice, your dry erase board, a marker, maybe an eraser, you're also going to need your lesson 28 page to draw on, or just a piece of paper, and some Play-Doh today. Okay, so those are the things that you are going to need today. But first we're going to play the game with the dice. Now yesterday when I rolled the dice, we put one more on our boards. We wrote the number that was one more than what we rolled on the dice. Today, we're going to write the number that is one less. So remember, less means the number gets smaller. So when we're counting, it'd be the number before the number that we roll. So I'm going to use my dice again, and I'm going to roll, and I got the number. Remember, I'm not going to count for you, but you can count it or subitize it. And then you're going to write the number that is one less, not one more today, okay? So I'm going to write it, and then I'll show you. Okay, ready, set, show. So I rolled a 4. One less is 3. Can you say that? 4. One less is 3. Good job. Okay, so we're going to erase. We're going to roll again. Oh, I got the same number. Let's try. Oh, this one might be a little hard. So that's easy to count, right? That's easy to subitize. I want you to write the number that is one less than this. Are you ready to show? Ready, set, show. All right, so I rolled a 1. One less is 0. Say that with me. 1. One less is 0. Good job. Okay, erase. Let's do another one. Oh, this time I got that big number. It has 3 on this side and 3 on that side. And I want you to write the number that is 1 less than this and be ready to show. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, show. There we go. So we had 6. 1 less is 5. Can you say that? Right, 6. 1 less is 5. When we're counting, 5 comes before 6, so it's less. Okay, so we're going to do one more, and this time I got this number. You can count it or subitize it. Okay, and write the number that is 1 less than this. You know what else we could do to show 1 less to help you kind of figure it out is you could just kind of take your finger and cover up one of the dots. And then that is 1 less what's left. Okay, are you ready? Set, show. Right, 5. 1 less is 4. And we had that when we covered up. We had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1 less is 4. All right, so I want you to practice that a few more times by yourself. Practice saying the words, 1 less. Say the numbers and put it in there with 1 less. Okay, so next we're going to do our application problem. And so you're going to need your Play-Doh, and you're going to need a pencil at least, or your dry erase board. I'm actually going to do it on my dry erase board. So in just a second, I'm going to turn the camera so that you can just see the dry erase board and not me. And we're going to do this problem together. Okay, so I will see you in just a second. Okay, I'm back. So what our application problem says is that we need to draw 4 snowmen, okay? So I'm going to make my snowman. So we have 1 dot, 2 dots, or snowballs. Put some eyes, and then another one, And another one. And you can draw them with at the same time. And it said I need 4. Okay, so there are my 4 snowmen. Uh-oh, that's upside down. Let me turn that around. There we go. Is that better? All right, so there are 4 snowmen, and then it says that to write the number of how many snowmen we have. So we have 4. I'm going to put that number down here, 4. Okay, can you see that? There we go. Okay, and then it says that with my Play-Doh, I need to make some hats. So how many hats do I need to make for each snowman to get a hat? That's right, I need 4. So I've already went ahead and made some hats. If you want to pause and make your hats, you can. So I made 1, 2, 3, and 4 hats. But then the problem says that I needed to make 2 more hats because yesterday there were 2 more snowmen that melted and their hats are just laying on the ground because they melted away. Okay, so how many hats did I make? How many hats did we have? So let's count them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I made 6 hats. Okay, so I had 4 snowmen and I had 6 hats. So which number is greater? Now greater means bigger or more. So which number is greater? Okay, I'm going to put a square around the one that is greater. Okay, 6 is greater than 4. Which number is less? That's right. The number 4 is less, so I'm going to put a triangle around it. 4 is less than 6. Okay. Today, you're going to watch the other video that's attached to the lesson, so make sure you click on it, and then you're going to be deciding. You're going to look at these on your paper. Think about what 3 might look like, how many, and 5. And then you're going to write it 2 ways. We're going to say 5 is more than 3, but then we can also say 3 is less than 5. Okay, so you're going to do that plus the next side. And you can also do your own problems by rolling some dice. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow.